Testimony will resume in the morning for the trial of former East Pittsburgh police officer Michael Rosfeld. He is charged with killing Antwon Rose II during a traffic stop last summer. Both the prosecution and defense attorneys gave their opening statements today. An Allegheny County police detective and 2 witnesses were among those who testified. Jurors also saw a cell phone video of Rosfeld shooting Rose and the surveillance video of the drive-by shooting that happened earlier in the day in North Braddock. After testimony wrapped up for the day, the attorney representing Antwon Rose's family spoke with the media. Ralph Iannotti was there and joins us live with that part of the story. Ralph.
Thank you very much, Susan. While a gag order is in place for defense attorneys, prosecutors, and potential witnesses in this homicide trial, the lawyer representing the family of Antwon Rose II did talk to reporters at the end of the day today, and he said this was an especially difficult day for the victim's family. The lawyer representing the family of 17-year-old Antwon Rose II, surrounded by the teenager's family members, including his mother, talked to reporters after the first day of testimony ended.
Antwon Rose has been called a suspect, a criminal, a body, a victim, an accomplice, a corpse. Now, under the law, he was a child. He hasn't been called that yet. Under the law, he was a minor. Hasn't been called that yet.
Rosfeld, a former East Pittsburgh police officer, is accused of homicide in last June's shooting death of Rose, an honor student who did volunteer and charity work and had no criminal record. Attorney Merritt said the jury didn't get to hear any of that during the trial's opening day.
There hasn't been a single picture of Antwon Rose alive introduced in 5 witnesses. The only pictures that they have seen is pictures of his corpse, as if that's his natural state. It's very difficult for this family to live through.
While Merritt held back any direct criticism of the way prosecutors have proceeded, he said so far jurors haven't heard anything about the real Antwon Rose.
We are encouraged that the prosecution will continue to pursue the facts of the case that matter. We feel that that's what they're laying out methodically. But what we most want to see as a family, as a community, is that Antwon Rose is introduced to this jury as if his life mattered.
Now, a reminder for motorists, when this trial resumes tomorrow morning, there'll be more traffic restrictions here around the Allegheny County Courthouse on Grand Street, and also expect more police presence. We're live tonight downtown. I'm Ralph Iannotti, KDKA News.